Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Network and Internet so you can see active adapters. This is faster than Control Panel. Once there, identify the adapter name, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and note whether Windows lists it as public or private. You do this because the profile determines sharing and firewall rules, and you will change it. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot modify network profiles. Ready? Next, we move into the registry method and PowerShell alternatives. You open Regedit as administrator and navigate to the network list profiles key because Windows stores network locations there. This is why registry editing works. Once you find the profile whose profile name matches your network, delete its entire key to remove the location or edit the word category to one to force private. Be careful, deleting the wrong key can affect other networks, so export a backup first. If you prefer a scriptable approach, run the PowerShell commands shown next to remove or you can finish with PowerShell for precision. Run get net connection profile to list entries, then use set net connection profile with network category private, or use remove net connection profile to delete it. Once done, restart the network list service or reboot to ensure the change propagates to firewall and sharing settings. If something goes wrong, check for domain policies or mobile device management that can reapply profiles. Disable those temporarily or contact admin. Finally, verify in settings that the network no longer appears or is set to your intended profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.